Hi guys, so if Finder search is not working in your MacBook, then here is the fix. What you can do, you can just click on this Apple icon at the top left and click on System Settings, and now click on Siri and Spotlight from the left menu. Okay, just scroll down and find Siri and Spotlight and click on it. Now what you have to do, you have to just scroll down and find Spotlight Privacy. Just click on it. Click on the plus icon, and from the left menu just click on Macintosh HD. Okay, so this is your hard drive. Click on choose. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to prevent Spotlight from searching in Macintosh HD? Click on OK and click on done. And now what it'll do, it'll de-index all the files in your hard drive. Wait for 4 or 5 minutes. And after that, what you can do, you can just again reach the same portion and click on Spotlight Privacy again. This time select it, remove it from this minus sign and click on done. And what it'll do, it'll index it again and your problem will be fixed. Make sure these things are in the selected in the search results. If there is not any selections here, now let's move to the second method. In this method you can relaunch the Finder. So what you can do, you just press the Option key and keep it pressed on your keyboard and then right click on the Finder. Then you will see this option of relaunch. Click on it and then try to open the Finder again. Now if this is also not working, then what you can do, you can just click on Launchpad and search terminal. Okay, click on it, and now what you have to do, you have to type this command sudo md util -e and /. Okay, I have given this command in the description of this video, and when you will press enter, it will ask for your password. Just enter your password, and now try searching again. So this is also one of the fix. Thanks for watching. Please do like,